Hey everybody, we are going to take a look at one of my favorite new devices. This is the Plugable USB 3.0 docking station. It is the UD3900. And before we even really get a good look at this thing, I just want to kind of explain where I'm coming from. I sort of believe that the world's gone crazy with the whole thin and light thing. I mean, I'm all for making things thinner, making things lighter, making things with better quality. But basically, as you step up in expense and quality in laptops, they wind up stripping out all the ports and making them less and less useful. And so in comes Plugable to fill a niche. If you're the type of person who uses your laptop as your main system and then you take it on the road with you, one of these docking stations is very, very cool. And so you're going to get more ports than you would ever get on a normal laptop. And so basically you take a look at this thing and one USB 3.0 port plugs into it and a power supply, and you get HDMI, DVI and it comes with a VGA adapter so you can use your old school VGA monitor. You get gigabit Ethernet, 4 USB ports on the back, 2 more on the front, speaker, microphone, and a nice neat little device that can sit on your desk. And basically you unplug just the USB cable and leave everything else where it is. And there's not a ton to say about the functionality other than it works, but I do have kind of a cool demonstration for what a device like this can give you. So just for demonstration purposes, I've set up on top of my tower my old decrepit laptop, the one with all 4 corners broken on it. And in fact, it only has one working USB port, but thanks to the Plugable, that's all I need. I plugged in the docking station, and when you combine the ports that are on the PC and the ports that are on the Plugable, I'm able to drive 5 monitors off this ancient computer, and without adding a single driver. I'm running my Ethernet through the Plugable, I'm running all my other USB ports through it, and it's fantastic. Like, it works buttery smooth. So I really want to hear from you guys. I want to hear how you would use something like this in your everyday life. Maybe how having a Plugable docking station would be a game changer for you. And I've talked to the people at Plugable and they're willing to give one of these things away. So if you have any interest, if you have a need, leave a comment and we'd love to hear from you. And you may just get one in the mail. Have a great day. Thanks for watching.